Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Now, Microsoft Edge is the default web browser on Windows, but if you no longer want it on your computer, you may want to uninstall it. So, however, uninstalling Edge depends on how it was installed. If you installed Edge manually, you can remove it easily. But if it came pre-installed with Windows, uninstalling it requires additional steps. So just follow the step-by-step guide I'm going to show you to remove it from your PC. Step 1. Uninstall Microsoft Edge if installed manually. So if you installed Microsoft Edge manually, you can remove it like any other app. So just open the Settings app on your Windows, and that's what I'm going to do right here. I'm just going to click on the set. I'm going to head over to Settings and open up the settings for this window. Alternatively, you can just press W plus I, that's Win, WIN plus I to on the keyboard to open the settings. So alternatively, you can click on the start menu and select settings. So in settings window, go ahead and click on apps. That's apps and features. So scroll down and look for Microsoft Edge, which we have here. Now click on Microsoft Edge to expand its options and click on the uninstall button, which you're going to find. Okay, so a confirmation prompt to appear. Click on install again to proceed. So let's say the uninstall button is not available right here. It's not enabled, maybe because I'm still using Microsoft Edge, so maybe I have to exit this and go over this again to continue the process. But if the uninstall button is grayed out, all right, it's aside from if you close or exit the Microsoft Edge web and come back again and it's still grayed out, it means Edge is a system app and cannot be removed using this method. So if it does this, then this is another step that you need to take. So uninstall Microsoft Edge using command prompt. So if Microsoft Edge was pre-installed as part of the Windows, you won't find the uninstall button in the settings. So instead, you need to remove it using command prompt. So open command prompt as administrators. Go ahead and press Win. So you'll find the way to get the Win option and press S and type CMD. This is for those that are using Mac. So Win plus S and type CMD. Then right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. In the command prompt window, tap the following command and press enter to navigate to the Edge installation folder. Okay, so the command is pretty much complicated, and this is literally for those who use Mac. So we're just gonna we're gonna ignore that step. All right, so you can also prevent Edge from installing via Windows updates. Now, Windows updates can install Microsoft Edge even after you removed it. And to stop this from happening, you will also need to use some kind of code, all right, which may not go through, but you can just use that by opening the registry editor. So open the registry editor, you can press Win plus R and type regedit and press enter. Okay, so Win is Windows, so Windows R, and type regedit and press enter. So in the registration editor, so navigate to Microsoft, the software Microsoft, and right click on the Microsoft folder, select new, select key, and name it Edge update. So just follow the prompts from there and just continue. So inside the Edge update folder, that's if you follow this, right click on an empty space, select new, and then select dword 32-bit value and name it do not update to Edge with Chromium. So double click on it, that do not update to Edge with Chromium, and set its value to 1 and click OK and close the registry editor. Now this will prevent Microsoft Edge from being reinstalled through Windows Update. Okay, but all the things that I have said now, of course, we know that the actual step that we can use is to uninstall it via Windows, as that's the first step that we went through by uninstalling it manually. But if that doesn't work out, then that's just pretty much it. The other ones are quite complicated in their steps. So go back to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.